Hey guys, welcome back. So on today's video, I'm bringing you guys this gorgeous makeup look with some glitter just in time for the holiday. This is perfect for New Year's. I think it's perfect for any type of look, but it's wearable. You guys know that I love making my wearable makeup looks, and this has glitter, so what a plus, right? So first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to be applying some concealer, and I'm using this one by Born This Way Too Faced, and this is a concealer, and you can also use it as foundation, but I'm using that to apply it all over my lid to clean that base. And then I'm going to be using this Too Faced setting powder to set that, so I can start with my shadows. So the palette that I'm using is the one by Bella Cosmetics, and this is their Go Pro Volume 2 palette. It was just barely released, you guys, and I love it so far because it has 25 eyeshadows from neutrals and pop of colors, and at the bottom it has some glitter, which they work really good. So the first shadow that I'm using as my transition color is the Burnt Shadow. So I'm applying it in swiping motions all over my crease, close to my brow bone, and just taking my time to intensify that shadow. Here, I'm just cleaning up that area with that brush that I was applying my concealer to make it more precise and clean. Second shadow is Mahogany, and I'm applying that with a smaller blending brush. This one is from Amazon, and I'm just applying it on my crease, and I want to intensify this color, so I did keep applying, packing it on there on my crease fold so you can see it. So right here I'm just cutting my crease, and the brush that I'm using is the one by Morphe, the E43 brush, which is a flat brow brush. And then I'm going to be using the setting powder just to set everything and my shadow wouldn't crease. Now I'm going in with Mahogany, and I'm going to be applying it in my outer V corner just to smoke it out, and also on my crease. Using the NYX glitter primer, I'm applying it all over my lid, and I'm also going to be using a brush so it can get there nicely and cover all the creases and everything, you guys. And now for the glitter, I'm using the one called Babe, you guys. This is a gorgeous, beautiful color just in time for the holidays, Christmas, for everything. I'm using it with my finger. I love the way that it's applied with the finger more than just a brush, but I wanted to be, you know, really precise and get into those between creases, and that's why I'm using the brush. I'm going back in with Mahogany with a smaller brush. It's another blending brush by Morphe, you guys, and I'm applying that on my crease just to intensify it. And then I'm going to go with Burn with the same brush and just apply it at the bottom of my lash line to smoke that out. You guys know that I love my smoked out lash line. And right here I'm just cleaning it up with that brush that I use my concealer. Now this eyeliner is amazing, the one by The Balm and Swing. It's so good, it's so pigmented, but I'm doing a basic eyeliner just so my lashes can have something to sit on, you guys, because I don't want to have a thick liner. It doesn't look good when you have a thick liner and glitter. I mean, what's the point? You want to see the glitter, right? So I mean, that's my take, that's my opinion, but I wanted a nice thin line, you guys, and of course I had to mess up, but it's okay. And then I'm going in with the M60, the Aqua XL pencils by Makeup Forever. You can use any other brown pencil. And I'm just applying it in my waterline, you guys. And then I'm going in with Money and Gleam for my inner corners to bring that beautiful light and just have some light inside my tear ducts. So that was it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this look. If you guys want more videos like this, quick and easy, please let me know if you guys want to watch more. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. It just gets me hype, and you know, it gets me inspired to keep bringing more videos for you guys. I hope you guys have a good one, and let me know what you guys want to see next. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.